everyone. So good morning everyone. It's 6:30 in the morning and I woke up because I have a flight and I'm going to Kannur. I'm going for 3 days pattern. Like I'm going today and I'm coming back on 14. So I'm going for a layover that is called pattern for 3 days. I'm getting ready now for my flight. So let's get ready with me.
Okay, so we don't have to apply lots of makeup because anyways we wear masks and PPE kit. So but a little bit for eye makeup we have to do because eyes are visible. So yeah.
Okay, so I landed in Kannur and this is my hotel room. Actually, this is not a hotel, this is a guest room. So yeah, and here I am. Let's see the view. Not that great, not that bad. It's good. This is the true bed and pretty good. This is the washroom. Oh, cool. They have bathtub and here I am again. So I'll change, I'll freshen up, then I'll get back to you guys. So it's 5:30 or something and we have nothing to do and I was planning to sleep, but I'm like, if I'll sleep now I'm not able to get up in the morning because I have early morning flight. So I don't know what to do. So basically, what is layover? I'll just explain quickly. Layover is you fly from some station, like let's example Bangalore to Kannur. I came, I will stay here. Company will provide me hotel, everything, stay, food, everything, and then tomorrow I'll go. From here I will go to operate my next flight. So we just do 5 days pattern, 4 days, 2 days. So we'll leave our base. Suppose my base is Bangalore. So I will come. I came today to Kannur. Tomorrow I'm doing flight. Again I'm coming back to Kannur. And on 14 I'm going back to Bangalore. So we do. So this is a layover. We say this is what it means. Good morning, everyone. So it's 5:30 in the morning and we are getting ready for our escape flight, our one day flight. So yeah, I'll get ready and then I'll come back to you. So yeah, I'm waiting for my flight and I'm so sorry because there is no lightning, proper lightning, so this camera is a little bit blur. So yeah, I will go in the left. Yeah, this lighting is pretty good. And we are wearing this because we are going for Vande Bharat flight. We are operating Kannur Doha and Doha Kannur. So we will be wearing that PPE kit, everything. So in our uniform, in our tunic, we will not able to wear the PPE kit. So Indigo company allows us to wear this Indigo t-shirt and trousers, as you can see. Chalo. I'll see you guys. Bye bye. So I came back from the flight and it's 8 o'clock or something. I don't know. and we are so tired now. I mean, look at me. I opened my hair bun and we are so tired. It was so long flight. Now I'll just order food. I'll take bath. I'll order food. Hey, so it's our last day of pattern, and I mean, yesterday I came and I just slept because I was so tired after long flight. Then yeah, we woke up. It's sunny outside, and this is our last day of pattern, as I said, and we are going back to Bangalore. So I had fun shooting this video, but I'm so sorry that I could not go out and I could not take you out because it's not allowed because of this coronavirus. But I hope everything will be fine, and I can take you out. Like, I will go out on my layovers and we'll have fun. I'll shoot videos and all that stuff. So thank you so much for watching, and bye. And if you have any questions, let me know in the comment section or DM me on my Instagram, and do not forget to subscribe this channel. Bye.